Hey everybody, so you might think that I'm a little bit crazy in what I'm about to say, which I mean, I am a little bit crazy, but I aim to please, and I've had a lot of people reach out to me and ask me if they can join the beginner inversions and handstand challenge if they are more like intermediate level. So they're able to do their handstand away from the wall and they're like, working on jumping up to handstand or changing shapes or just holding the handstand longer or whatever. And I decided to go ahead and open up the challenge to all level of handstanders. Well, beginner to intermediate handstanders. People that are working on one arms, this isn't going to be an appropriate challenge for you, but for people that are working on kicking up to the wall for the first time, or if you're working on jumping the handstand or pressing or making different shapes or any of the above, then this handstand challenge is open to you. So it is part of our monthly membership that we just opened up. And something else that's very exciting is we are now offering a second class time. So now we have Mondays at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and you have Tuesdays at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So with this monthly membership, you get access to 1 time a week live coaching. So you can choose either one of those class options. You get access now to all of my video tutorials for both beginner handstands and intermediate handstands. You get all of the class replays that are inside of this membership. So those 2 times a week classes, you'll get access to all of those replays. You get access to our Facebook group, so you can ask questions and post your wins and all of that good stuff in there. And I will give you feedback as well. And then of course, the big prize. So everyone that joins before February 1st will be entered to win $1,000. Now you might be wondering, like, how do I win that? So it's based off of your participation. Are you going through the tutorials? Are you attending the live sessions? Are you being supportive with other people? And then your progress, right? So the people that are attending the live sessions, that are practicing on their own, that are posting in the Facebook group and asking questions, those people are going to be more likely to make progress. So it's a win-win. You get to learn your handstands, you get to train, have a lot of fun, and you get to potentially win $1,000 or $500 or $250. So all you need to do is click on the link in my bio, use the coupon code EARLYBIRD50 to save $50 off your first month. So that would mean the first month is only $97 to get all of that, plus access to potentially win the prize. And then it's only $67 each additional month. You can cancel at any time. Hopefully you won't, because you'll be like, oh my God, I'm learning all the things. This is so much fun. Anyway, that is my huge, amazing, exciting news update for you all. If you're signing up and you notice something say like beginner handstands and inversions or something like that, please go ahead and let me know, because I did go through and like update everything today. And so if you see something that like isn't quite right, let me know and I will fix it. And if you have any other questions, feel free to shoot me a message, and yeah, hopefully I'll see you inside.